Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your last PayPal transaction was declined. First, always verify your PayPal balance or the linked funding source, like your bank account or credit card. Ensure there are sufficient funds available for your purchase. Next, double-check your card details, including the expiration date and the 3-digit security code on the back. Finally, confirm that your billing address on file with PayPal matches the one associated with your card. These simple checks can resolve many common issues quickly. Common reasons for a declined transaction often include insufficient funds, which is a frequent cause. Always ensure you have enough money in your account. Another reason could be a security flag, triggered by unusual activity or a large purchase, which your bank might block for your protection. Sometimes, technical glitches on PayPal's side or your bank system can also cause declines. For security flags, a quick call to your bank can often resolve the issue, allowing the transaction to proceed. If the initial checks don't work, try some advanced troubleshooting. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or attempt the transaction using a different device or browser. This can often resolve minor technical hiccups. Second, contact your bank or card issuer directly. They can confirm if they've blocked the transaction and can often authorize it on the spot. Lastly, ensure all your PayPal account information, especially your payment methods, are up to date and accurate to prevent future declines. If you've tried all these steps and your transaction is still declined, it's time to reach out to PayPal support. Provide them with specific transaction details, including the exact error message you received. This information will help them diagnose the problem more efficiently. While waiting for a resolution, consider using an alternative payment method for any urgent purchases. Remember, their support team is there to help you navigate more complex issues and get your payments working smoothly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.